Good morning, children. In this video, we will see the differences between plants and animal cells. Plant cells, they have fixed geometrical shape. On the other hand, in animal cells, the shapes are not fixed. That means the cells, they vary in size and shape. In plant cell wall is present, but it is absent in animal cells. In plant cells, plastids are also present, but in animal cell it is absent. The lysosomes, they are also not present in plant cells, but they are present in animal cells. There are large permanent vacuoles, they are present in plant cells, and they fill about 90% of the space inside the cell. So the space inside the cell, it is around 90% covered by these large permanent vacuoles. But if we see animal cells, these vacuoles are not present, and if they are present also, then they occupy very less space. They are very small in size. In plant cells, centrosomes are absent, but in animal cells, these centrosomes are present. In plant cells, nucleus is marginal in position, but a nucleus is central in position in animal cells. So that's the difference between plant cells and animal cells. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.